Welcome to my backyard. And there's our dog. Her name is Lily. Lily, what you doing? She likes to check out everything that's going on in our backyard. Patrolling for cats and other creatures. We have quite a few plants that we take care of here. So here's our little vegetable garden thing along with some other plants. We got some mint right here. It's sprouting back up. It died in the summer, so I think the only thing that managed to survive was spearmint. We also have some pineapple plants that we've planted over the years. We got one, the big one on the left. The middle one is I think it's 2 years old, and the one on the right is only 1 year old. So you can see how quickly they grow. It's not super quick compared to a lot of plants, but they'll get up there. We have some aloe vera in the middle there that I need to repot because it kind of died after a freeze last winter, and it's been sprouting little bitty pups around the edges there, and even in the middle of some of the plant. You can see off of some of those bigger leaves. And we also have some cactus. This is prickly pear. I'm not sure what variety, if there's any special kind, but we're hoping at some point we'll have some prickly pears that we can eat. I don't know about having planted them that close together, but that's what we did. Next we have what used to be a blueberry plant. This dead branch over here didn't really survive our hot summer, but instead of a blueberry plant we got a holy basil plant that has pretty much thrived in this pot here. And we have hummingbirds that I think were initially attracted by the basil and some other flowers that we have. We decided to get more flowers to get them coming back. So we have some little flowers here. This is called pentas, and probably because it has 5 little petals in a lot of them. Some of them I'm noticing have 6 petals, so I'm not sure if that's a standard. But there's a pink one, and then we got a hot pink one here, and some light pink ones. Oh, I guess the one at the top is more of a purpley color. But yeah, and then another holy basil plant, and we have Thai basil. We have a Turk's cap, which I've actually heard is edible. The flowers are edible. You can drink the nectar out of them. I prefer to just leave them for the butterflies and the hummingbirds, but hopefully it'll keep growing and be really nice. And we have our cinnamon basil, which is a very interesting variety. If you get one of the leaves, it kind of tastes like cinnamon, or smells like cinnamon. So it's really nice in a lot of Asian dishes. We have this purslane. We got this a week ago. It has completely taken over this pot, or this planter here. There's a pink one on the left and a yellow one on the right. I was interested to find out that they close up their flowers at night, so you can't really see the flowers very well, but there's one that's kind of closed up, and there's some yellow flowers here. But in the daytime, when they're fully open, they're pretty big flowers. I think we've had some wild purslane show up that's not very big flowers, so I'm glad to see this kind is very nice. I was going to put this out in the front of our house, maybe not water it as much, because it looks like it can kind of take some neglect, because I've been watering it every day and has totally taken over this container. So that's that. We have some more holy basil and some I tried to replant, which has not really thrived yet. Oh, and apparently we have a bunch of fire ants down there. I'm not sure where their nest is, but I think they're going to the pineapple plants to get water, because it saves water in its leaves. And then here we have some leftover green onions that I decided to plant, and of course have completely thrived, and I'm really glad I did that. It's one of the best gardening decisions I ever made. And I actually got some more, so you'll see over there in our larger container, I planted a few little green onions. They haven't quite sprouted up and thrived yet, but I just planted them a few days ago, so that's probably gonna take them a little while. And then we have our bird feeders, which I'm hoping I can do some more videos of them soon, because the birds absolutely love them. There's a cardinal right there right now who's not looking at me. He's on the other side. Yeah, we have chickadees, we have cardinals, we have titmice, we have a couple wrens, we have a lot of doves that come by in the morning. I mean, they're called mourning doves, but that's not the kind of mourning they were thinking about. So yeah, we got that. We got some random purslane that has grown up in this planter that I did not expect. I'm currently getting bit a lot by mosquitoes, so I have to go in pretty soon. Sorry about the camera shaking. And then I have these beautiful little succulents I'm really bad at taking care of. Sorry, the air conditioner has decided to kick on. Hopefully you can still hear me. This one has put out a big flower. The little flower tips don't seem to really open very much, so I'm not sure if it's getting the right conditions. But I was happy to find that out. And then here's a little other kind of succulent right here. They're not too healthy right now. I probably need to repot them in something that's not sand. So I'll do that eventually. So yeah, that's our backyard. And there's Lily, who's doing her business. Yep. So I'll keep an eye out for a lot more wildlife. I'll make some more videos of that soon. You can see our grass is pretty dead. I'm hoping to replace it with something that's more heat tolerant and drought tolerant soon. We have a bunch of vines in the back of our yard. And a bunch of bamboo as well. So, yeah, oh, Cardinal Dad is back. Oh, he flew away. We'll try and keep an eye on the bird feeder. So, yep, that's about it.